Another very often misunderstood term in real estate is escrow. What does it really mean when people say, I'm in escrow?
Ladies and gentlemen, I am an escrow. What?
So I'm gonna break it for you down simply with a funny analogy. Okay, so imagine buying a house is like ordering a really fancy custom-made cake. You've picked out all the flavors, the decorations, and everything is perfect, but you don't get the cake right. First, you gotta give the bakery a down payment and promise that you're gonna pay the rest. And smile because this is when your offer was accepted. So the bakery starts making your cake. Now escrow is like a special safe where your money is kept while the bakery makes your cake. It's guarded by a neutral third party, kind of like a trusted friend. That's your escrow team. Why do we need this safe? We want to ensure that everybody gets what they agreed upon. Just like you want to be sure that the cake is exactly how you ordered it, the bakery wants to be sure that you'll actually pay for it. So if something goes wrong, let's say the bakery can't get the special ingredients, your money is safe in escrow. So during escrow, things like underwriting and appraisals happened. It's like the bakery's double checking the recipe and the ingredients. And once everything checks out, the cake, also known as your house, is ready. The money from the safe is then released to the bakery, which is the seller. Escrow and your realtor too are here to make sure that the whole process goes smoothly and fairly for both you and the seller. It's like a safety net, ensuring everybody gets what they deserve. And there is a fee that escrow companies charge for this service, and it's paid by the buyer, seller, or both as part of the closing costs. And I'll have another clip soon explaining what exact fees make up your closing costs as a buyer or seller. So send this to somebody you know who's considering buying a home this year. I will see you guys next week. Toodles! I don't know why I just said toodles. I've never said that before.